Your take on this comparison?
Na-pressure ako dun kasi napakagandang pelikula yung Grandma Millionaire. Pinanood ko rin siya and sobrang naantig din ako doon. Siguro close siya because of relatability. Dahil nga yung family ties with the grandmother. Ito naman, mas in-establish natin yung family ties between mga tita. Kasi for sure, lahat kayo dito, tito, tita kayo ng mga pamangkin ninyo. And para ngayon lang makakaroon din ng pelikula that highlights or gives that spotlight sa mga tita na sobrang magmahal sa kanilang mga pamangkin. So, parang nakikita ko nga sa trailer, mga comments sa mga tao na parang, ako na yung tita ko, parang sakit-sakit sa puso, mga ganyan. So, feeling ko, hopefully, na-hit namin yung sweet spot na yun sa about family ties.
I'm curious lang, dito sa venue natin, meron ba ditong ayaw mag-anak? Wala pa naman, wala pa. I'm curious lang kasi parang yung mga millennials daw, kasi di ba direct yung mention pa kanina, parang they prefer not to have kids.
Yung iba, parang for parents na lang. Meron na bang marami pa rin, pero medyo hindi na alien yung idea that not having a kid is someone na hindi ka makukumpleto.
Gusto kong tanongin tuloy yung mga support cast natin. Donna, ikaw, what's your take on having a kid?
Meron na po ako, isa, may 10-year-old ako, so di na ako pwede sumagot. Oo, meron na. And kung madadagdagan, parang wala pa namang dadalhin na join ko mag-tent. So yun, pero parang gusto ko pa ng kapatid, pero hindi ko pa naiisip. So,
okay, si Kate, ikaw.
Na-pressure ako ng slide kasi matagal ko na sinasabi na I'm one of those. I don't think I would do well as a mother, but because of recent events, namulat na ako na, there's nothing wrong with wanting to not have children, but there's also nothing wrong with wanting to have children for myself. And I think that's where I am.
Baka mabago ng pelikulang ito ang iyong
Nabago
na. Ayun na nga. See? Ana, ikaw naman. What's your take?
Meron na rin po ako.
Ayan.
Isa. Well, gusto ko pa ng isa. Yung nabigay sa akin ng anak ko maging lalo ko nagpursige yung magtrabaho para sa kanya. Siguro kanya-kanya rin naman talagang take yun. Pero, as of now, trabaho ko muna ako.
Trabaho muna.
Isa muna dahil ang hirap mo ako magdadagdag pa nang hindi ka naman prepared.
Okay. Alexa, ikaw, as a millennial.
I'm actually a Gen Z.
A Gen Z, ibang generation pa.
Lalo na siguro, but sa totoo lang po, medyo namulat din ako sa movie. But of course, right now, that's not at all something I think about, and not even in the near future. I feel like I want to pursue my career muna. Of course, and establish myself, and secure myself, and the future of the child I might want to bring to this world. Pero siguro po sa malayong future pa. But I am a firm mom, and that's as fulfilling also. Ikaw.
Okay. No, kasi I think that's a normal, mindset ng iba, lalo na when they're focused on their careers first. So, iba-iba talaga priority. Wala siyang one size fits all, di ba? Alright, ang next na question is from Max Susana from La Coachera Lovers. Direct ikaw makakasagot nito. How did you come up with such a diverse cast? Paano ang naging selection ng cast for this project?
Kinakabahan ako sa mga tanong. Ano po, for the cast, tulong-tulong po kami nila Miss Madonna, Miss Grace, and Miss Toy and Raywin in creating the perfect ensemble. Ano siya pinipintigan mo rin kung bagay talaga sa isang artista yung character. So marami sa kanila, first thought pa lang namin sila na may iba na nag-grow lang na parang pwede siya, pwede gano'n. Hanggang mabuo siya. And we're so happy with this cast. They all performed well. As in, minsan pag nag-viewing kami, sino favorite character mo? hirap namin sagutin kasi lahat sila may ganyan-ganyan baon. Eh, ang ganda-ganda, ang galing-galing nilang lahat.
Thank you, Direk. Next question, pare-pareho to, no? From Romel Gonzalez, Jamara Lee Adriano, and Alexa Con. It's for Alexa. What was your reaction, first reaction upon learning that you will be doing a film with a popular Korean actor? And how was this experience? Could you share some memorable experiences behind the scenes?
At first, I was a bit nervous and not going to lie, medyo na-intimidate ako talaga kay Jisoo. Kasi ang tangkad!
Tangkad eh! Jisoo, what's your height? What's your height?
Hindi ko siya matignan ng diretso, nakakatingala ako.
6'2". Ikaw, Alexa, anong height mo? Without heels. 5'2".
5'2" on a good day.
On a good day.
Pero hindi, I was really excited then kasi I know how professional Korean stars are and I've never really worked with anyone na Korean star. So, the first time I met Jisoo, it was for the look test. So parang in a way, sinabak na agad kami sa trial scene without really the formal introduction. So I was a bit intimidated. Pero I saw in his eyes, wow, na-open naman siya. So kinabalan ko na po yung mukha ko, kinausap ko, nakapag-eksena ako sa kanya, and nagbibigay talaga siya. Kahit feeling ko hindi niya ako naintindihan minsan, nagbibigay talaga siya.
Mahirap yun eh, no? Yung parang, di ko alam kung maiintindihan ba ni Jisoo yung emotions na
No, not the
nais mo.
emotion, nor the Tagalog.
Yeah.
Because I feel like he's a really smart actor, so with the emotions, he could understand me right away.
Right.
Tapos yun, day by day, natutuwa po ako sa kanya kasi nakita ko na nag-open up siya sa ating lahat. Like, sa una seryoso siya, pero nung pang ilang shoot na namin, nakikipagbiruan na siya, nagjo-joke na siya, tapos nagpapatuloy po siya mag-Tagalog. So doon natutuwa ako kami ni Ate Kai kasi madalas yung ka-eksena. Natutuwa ako sa kanya nagpapatuloy siya mag-Tagalog, tapos nagkikwento siya about his life in Korea, tungkol sa dogs niya, tapos manilig din siya sa mga stray animals. So sabi ko, ay, magiging friends tayo.
Pet friendly.
Yes.
Let's ask Jisoo this time. How was it working with Alexa?
It was an honor to be working with famous star. And she's really kind and sweet, and even she's younger than me, but she's very mature. And she helped me to get used to on the set. So it was very fun, and we did TikTok together. Yes, TikTok video.
TikTok.
Yeah. So it means like we are friends.
Right.
Yeah. So it was fun, and it's like I like to work with everyone. Actually, they're always really welcome to me because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying, but they're always trying to translate and explain everything. Like even it's hard. They always try to like communicate with me. So I was really thankful to everyone. Yes.
Richard, nakita ko sa trailer parang meron kayong heavy scene together ni Jisoo.